Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located here in Warren, Michigan. We're conveniently located on Hoover Road, just north of 12 Mile, so we're easy to reach off of 696 from Oakland County, Wayne County, Macomb County, or St. Clair County. I'm here to talk to you today about your credit score. Now, people are often concerned about the fact when they come in to file bankruptcy thinking that they're never going to be able to get credit again, that their credit score will be irretrievably damaged over the long term. And the fact is that's just not the case. Most of my clients who follow a process that I suggest to them will have decent credit really within a year. And the fact of the matter is many of them have come into me and been amazed at the fact that they're able to get car loans with very good interest rates even in a shorter period of time after a year after filing bankruptcy. The rule of thumb also in terms of mortgages is that oftentimes you can get a mortgage within 2 years of filing bankruptcy. So it's not as hard to rebuild your credit as a lot of people have presented it. One of the things that I suggest to my clients who are filing bankruptcy to help rebuild their credit is to get a little bit of credit. Now that may seem crazy to people, but you can do it actually. It's surprising to many of my clients how quickly after they file bankruptcy they'll actually start getting credit card offers in the mail. Now, they may not be very good interest rates, they may not be large balances available to borrow, but it doesn't matter because what your goal is going to be with these credit cards is to just charge a little bit each month and pay it off on time each month. And every month you do that, you're going to see your credit score get better. It's amazing how quickly it works. Ideally, you're going to want to get 2 to 3 creditors who you're doing that for on a regular basis. One more thing I suggest to my clients, if for some reason they're not getting those credit card offers in the mail, is that you can get what's called a secured credit card. A secured credit card is a real credit card. It's not a debit card like what you get from your bank or a prepaid credit card like what you get from 7-Eleven. It's a real credit card, it's just that you have to give them some money up front that they hold on to just in case you don't pay. So say for example they say, well, you have to give us $200, we'll hold on to that and then we'll give you a credit line of $200. And again, what you're going to want to do is just charge a little bit each month, pay it off on time each month, and every month you do that you're going to see your credit score get better. Those secured credit cards can be an amazing way of rebuilding your credit. Now if you're really struggling and don't know where to look to find some of these things, of course you can Google secured credit card, but there's a website that I recommend which is called creditkarma.com. One of the nice things about Credit Karma, unlike some of the other websites that you see advertised like freecreditreport.com or freecreditscore.com, which actually charge you ultimately. Credit Karma is actually a free website. The way that they make their money though is that they essentially sell advertising based upon what your credit score is. So let's just say you have a credit score of 600, then they'll give you offers of different credit cards who are willing to give you credit based upon a credit score like that. So if you're in a situation that you're struggling with your credit and you want to rebuild it, take some of these strategies or give us a call. Our phone number is 586-693-2000. Our website is financiallawgroup.com.